Hi, my name is Manjari. I done my BDS undergraduate in Calcutta College. I completed my BDS degree in 2020. After completion of my BDS degree, I want to run my own clinic. But due to COVID-19, I was not able to do more cases in my college. So I start search for a good academy. One of my senior advised me to go and visit the Maliki Dental. Me and my friend came to visit here. Doctor will explain us how this goes go and how it will end. He explained us so much. We started doing cases in September month. After my first visit, I paid the advance amount here. Then my family is not affordable for the course, and they also think about the safety of girls and how I stay here in a hostel. So first they opposed me, and then I told sir I can't do the course. Then he also returned my money back. Then he also give us some advice and how to convince my parents. He also called my parents and speak about the safety and the course procedures, everything. Then I convinced my parents, and my parents also convinced. Then only I joined here. I stayed in hostel nearby place. The first day of my course is they do the theory classes for whole day, and then give some hands-ons. They first give the hands-ons, and then we started doing cases in patients. My first case was I was a bit nervous. I didn't do any original case in my college. I go some clinics for in my internships. That period also I didn't do. I just only assisted there. Here only I started my first case. It was a bit nervous, and they give separate mentor for us, separate endodontist for us. My first case was a bit nervous, and it was my confidence level was not that much better. It was just 10 to 15% only. Then started doing case. Ma'am will assist us. We do 10 case. I break from one case, breakage instruments done. At that time I was so nervous. Sir came and ma'am also assisted how to manage this. Then after doing 20 cases, my confidence level was increased up to 70%. After my completion of course, I completed 30 cases. That time I was 100% confident. Now I am confident to do RCT for my own father. That is so much happy thing to me. He also so happy now. First he was so nervous and so not let me go to do this. Now he also tell I come there to do RCT for me also. He is also said that. I'm so happy now, and at the end of the day, now I have confidence to run my own clinic. So all the participants who like us, they don't have any exposure for RCT. They come here and have some good exposure and have some good life. Thank you.
Hello friends, today in this video I am going to tell you about two wonderful doctors, Dr. Manjari and Dr. Lakshmi Narayanan, who trusted us and came to Maliki Dental Academy in the month of August 2021, especially after the two lockdowns. These two wonderful doctors, they came and told, sir, we are not having much experience in our clinical practice. So we both have a goal of starting our own clinics. They both are from Kanjipuram and they both are classmates. So when they met me first time in my office, I was feeling very happy because they are so thirsty and they are so glad to come and learn. Many of them, they think that they have spent a lot of money in the college. Why they have to go and learn again? Why they have to invest money? Can I tell you, dear friends, the testimonies you have seen just in this video, it's real testimony, and both have done really wonderfully well in this course. Dr. Jerisha is the guide for them, and she was guiding them wonderfully. Each and every case was personally monitored from first step to the last step, and there were issues like file separations, some swelling, pain, and all that. But they overcame all that, and they know exactly how to manage that patients clinically. Now they are 100% confident. Both were giving the testimony saying that after first 10 cases, they were getting around 30 to 40%. The 20 cases, they have got around 60 to 70%. After 30 cases, they have got 70, more than 70, which is almost 100% confidence they have got. Dear friends, they are such a wonderful success story for my academy, because our goal for young doctors like you is to only one thing, which is to make them confident in clinical practice. We are conducting courses on implantology, in orthodontics, and smile designing, and many other clinical arenas. We are actually the only academy who train you on patients. We give real patients, we give you the materials, we give you the place, the staff, the AC, air condition, everything, just for you to come and learn like an internship. It's like an internship for you, the actual internship. The internship which you're going in your college. If you are not satisfied, or if you are feeling you're lacking confidence, I request all of you to visit our office, our clinic, and join our courses. If you want to learn more, please click the number below, and call me and speak to me, and I will guide you. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Thank you. Dr. Manjri, your confidence is good, and you have a very good future in Indo. You know why I'm telling? Because after 10 cases only, I know I can usually give you cases, and after 20, after 30 and all, it's like going in 100 kilometers in highway. Very confident, and learn more and refine yourself, your skills. Small refinement is needed, and learn from your mistakes. Go through what mistakes you have done, and get it corrected. Okay. God bless you. Good job. Thank you. Small compliment from our academy. It's a Roti Endodontics book.